Hi friends, it's Miss Robinson. We're going to go over our next two words for this week of building vocabulary. Remember, our prefix is abs. These are the letters that go at the beginning of the word, and vocabulary that is related to these prefixes will relate to the term away from. Okay, we have two new words today that you're going to be learning for this week. And if you have any questions or you need any help, you can ask your teacher. You can send them a message or respond to this video. And we're just going to get started. Remember, we're going to use the same paper that you used yesterday. So get your journal back out or get your piece of paper that you've written all of these vocab words on. The definitions, the example sentences, and your pictures. We don't want that to go to waste, and we want to use this as a study guide this week for our week 1 vocabulary. So go ahead and get your journal out, pause the video, get your supplies that you need, and we can start in just a second. Okay, let's see. So number 4, this is our 4th word this week out of 5 words. Let's see what it might be. So our 4th word is going to be abstain. And the word abstain means to restrain oneself from doing or enjoying something. So restrain oneself from doing or enjoying something. Perfect. And if you guys know me, you know that I really love chocolate. So something that I'm working on is I am choosing to abstain from chocolate. Draw a little line under my sentence from the other day. I'm going to abstain from chocolate. I'm going to underline my word, highlight my word. And remember, I'm going to stay away from it. Away from. Abs. Do you see how these prefixes are playing into our words? Staying away from it, okay? So I'm going to abstain from chocolate. So I'm going to draw a picture of a beautiful chocolate bar, because this is what I think of when I think of abstaining, and I'm going to put an X over it, okay? So if you're trying to abstain from video games, draw a little picture of your video games. Maybe Fortnite's been going a little too heavy recently. Try to abstain, draw a picture, draw an X through it, right? Whatever will help you with remembering what this word means, okay? Even if it sounds shocking, like taking a break from our computers or Fortnite. Okay, our last word for the week is going to be abstract. So this is another really great academic vocabulary word for art. You've probably heard it before in Coach Phillips' class. And so abstract. So what does this word mean? This word means to consider something. So to think about it. Theoretically, something. Theoretically or separately from something else. And remember, if you ever need to catch up, if I'm writing too fast, you have control of your video. So pause your video, zoom in, make it a full screen so that you can see what these say, and continue following along with these notes, because these are super important. This is going to be your study guide this week for your vocab. So it's important that you take the time to learn it, to focus, to take your time. You are in control of this video. So if you need to pause it, That's okay. Take your time and take your notes correctly. Okay, so abstract. So our example sentence is the painting was so beautiful and abstract. Probably not the most beautiful sentence, but I think it helps you to get the point. It's super clear. The painting was abstract. So I'm going to draw a little painting that's abstract. And normally abstract paintings it looks like something, but not quite the same as it. So it's considering something theoretically or separately from something else. So if I was going to draw an abstract painting of myself, I might draw my face, and then my eyes would be kind of off to the side like this, and then I would draw a hair that's like super geometric, and then I would draw a mouth. And do you see how this doesn't look exactly like me? That's okay, because it's supposed to be abstract. It's a beautiful painting in a museum, and it's going to help me remember exactly what my word is. So these are our words for the week. Study them, remember them. It's super important that you pay attention to these notes. Take your time taking them, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.